Today we'll be making a dry fish chutney. First we roast the dry fish. We will need some chili powder, some salt. Mix together. We want to make the dry fish into a paste. Mix with chili and salt. Add some water. Mix thoroughly. Add some onions and some garlic to the same pan. You want the paste to be looking like this once it's mixed with the chili. Once the onions and garlic have charred, we will be mixing it with the chili and dry fish chutney paste. Now we need to move this into a jug so we can hand blend it. You may need to add some water. Blend until you can see no more bones. And hopefully you end up with something like this. Enjoy.